Hello everyone.
Hello.
Please stand up. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm okay, thank you. Please sit down. Who is absent today? Diana, tell me please. Okay, thank you. That's all?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. So, let's start our lesson. And I want you to open your copy books and write down the date. Today is 12th of March. Yes? Okay, please write down. So, I will ask you some questions depending on your homework. And before we start, I will give you these cards. There is types of flashcards. So first is, what is it? Do you know? Flashcard. Yes. Simple flashcard. It means not bad. Not bad. And second is, what is it? Do you know? Milk organizer or card reader. Yes. Card reader. Card reader. It means good. Good. And last one is hard disk. Yes. Hard disk. It means very good. Very good. So you should give marks for yourself. For your answer. Okay? First question. What is conditional algorithm? You may answer in Kazakh language. Şartlı algoritm.
Мысалы,
және таңдау жасау, иә? Жақсы. Отыраға келесі. Do you know comparison operators? Салыстыру белгілері. Салыстыру операторы. Математикалық. Bigger and less. Yes, less. Okay, and then equal, not equal. Okay, thank you. So next question. How is conditional algorithm created?
By using
If-else statement, yes? Okay, very good. By using if-else statement. So, last question. What is a variable? Variable? Scope? Variable. Айнымалы. Thank you. So before we start, before we begin our lesson, I want you to think about how does computer programming work? How does computer programming work?
Computer programming work by using codes.
By using codes? Okay. Thank you. Very good. So, our today's lesson is going to focus on tracing an algorithm. And after today's lesson, you will be able to apply tracing an algorithm and solve the problems. Let's work with new terminology. Let's practice these words together. I want you to repeat these words after me, okay? So, first word, to add. Yes, it means fosu. Yes. And angry. Ашулы. To subtract. Шегеру дегенді білдіреді. Initial. Бастапқы. To swap. Бұл деген ауысу. To convert. Türlendiriu, özgertүү. Unfortunately,
Unfortunately.
ökünüşke oray deydi.
Өкінішке орай.
Caution,
Caution.
бүтін сан екен, bug. Bug, yani бүгінгі біздің сабағымыздағы негізгі термин bug. Yani қате. Yani ол қатені түзету debugging. Debugging. Debugging деген түзету. Және last one remainder. Қалдық болады екен, жақсы. Сонымен tracing an algorithm. Бұл дегеніміз не екен? Yani tracing an algorithm. Yani адамдар жаңағы өмірде күнделікті қателіктер жасап қояды. Сол сияқты жаңағы программисттерде программа жазған кезде қателер жібереді, дұрыс па? Вот, сол қателіктерді түзетуді осы tracing an algorithm дейді. Yani қателер жаңағы айттық, қате деген bug болса, оны түзету деген debugging, debugging. So, енді, for example, бір мысал қарастырып кетейік. Your initial input is number of minutes, it's variable n, and convert minutes into default time format like this. Okay, and show it in the output. So, the program must calculate two integers, first hours and second minutes. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. How it will be happen? What is it? Gets input, yes? Енгізу, яғни end'e енгізу, ары қарай. Hours. Сағатты есептейді. Calculating hours. Одан кейін жаңағы сағаттың форматын есептейді. 24 формат, 24 сағаттық форматта, Келесі calculating minutes. Минутты санайды, 60-ға бөледі. Және де соңында жауабын шығару. Printing answers. So, do you know what is it? Comments, yes? Hashtag арқылы жасалатын комментарийлар, Оны өтеміз. Жақсы. Very good. And for keep in mind, in this table we see lines of code. Now, for practical work, we have a task like this: previous and the next number. Жаңағы санның алдыңғы, мысалға бір санды айтамыз, яғни сол санның алдыңғы және одан кейінгі санды табуымыз керек. Who wants to read this task? Who can read? Okay, please. Please stand up, please.
Okay. Aygir'im is 3 years old. She learns how to count. Now she can count till 10. Help Aygir'im learn how to count great numbers. Aygir'im says she
Says one number
and then asks you to find the previous and next number. You can easily find how to help her using your knowledge about programming language.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's start. Please sit on the computers and start this work. Диана, после тұрғанша. Okay, firstly, what we should do? Which kind of function we should write?
Animal elements.
How it will happen?
Equal int.
A equal int. So after that,
Preview numbers.
previous number, yes.
And next number.
NN. Okay, next number.
Print previous number.
Yes, previous number. And then EN. And again print, yes. Next number. Okay. Okay, let's check your work.
I'm finished.
Let's check which combination. Alt F5. Yes?
Yes.
Alt F5. After this print,
Yes.
we print.
Print.
We write print.
Yes.
Yes.
Print.
For next number. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Alt F5. Great job, yes. We have Aigerim to count. Please take your seats, finish work with computer. Now we have activity. So there is robot. We have three types of buttons. Control the robot. So first button is robot turns left. Do you see?
Yes.
And second is robot turns right. Yes. And last one is robot moves X units in the direction it's facing. The robot starts at blue start, facing to east. Janibek presses 7 buttons to move the robot to the red diamond on the map, and unfortunately he has pressed 2 buttons by mistake. Yeah, Janibek is taken. Екі қате жіберіп алған, иә? Көрейік. So, қандай қате жіберген екен? Қазір мынаны дәптерлеріңді ашып, орындап жіберіңдер. Please do this task on your copybooks. Болғаннан кейін жауабын айтыңдар маған. Do you finish? Who wants to explain? So, how do you find? Because тақтаға шығатын бар ма біреу? Ернар, please.
Mistake is 6 and 7 because
There is Janibek do mistake. Yes.
yes,
What Janibek should do this?
turn right,
Turn left.
and turn
Turn
forward.
right. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Bernard, please sit down. Our lesson will finish after 2 minutes. I given you these cards, if you remember. Do you remember? So for today's lesson, please mark yourself. Okay, Yernar, please start.
I think I am working to 32 gigabytes.
32 gigabyte. Okay, 32 gigabyte, but I think you was better than 32 gigabyte, and I want to give you mark terabyte, 1 terabyte. Okay?
Thanks.
Okay, sit down. And Yermin.
I am work by 1 terabyte because I understand this lesson. I'm fast working.
Okay. Very good. Молодец. Sit down. Келесі, қыздардан кім бар? Айтып. Қазақша айта беріңіз. Өзіңді қаншалықты бағалайсың бүгінгі сабақта? To 32 gigabyte. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Diana?
I think I worked 8 gigabytes.
8 gigabyte. Why?
Because
Жарайды. Ол ештеңе етпейді. Келесі сабақта кішкене өздеріңді жақсырақ көрсетерсіңдер, иә? Сонымен бүгінгі сабағымыз аяқталды. Thank you for being active. See you next week. So, goodbye. Homework, please read the tracing and algorithm on page 48 and 49 and learn by heart new terminology, okay?
Yes.
So, thank you, goodbye.